Now we're going to look at how to bring in a sketch into Solidworks so that we can trace it. In our case, we're using this in our design folio such that we can give ourselves a boundary area for where it needs to be. So in our design brief there, our clamp must be no bigger than an area of 200 mm in diameter. So it has to fit within that circle. So what I'm going to do is first of all select our front plane and give myself a boundary area for that sketch to occur in. So draw my boundary area, give it a size, again no bigger than 200 millimeters. Then I'm going to change that into construction so that it doesn't end up being the sketch, it's just a reference. Now all I have to do is go to Tools, Sketch Tools, Sketch Picture. Now that will only be highlighted if you have created a sketch or a boundary area. I'm going to select my picture and insert it into my drawing. So obviously it's come in way too big for the boundary area that I want, my crab claw, so I can resize it to fit. In the area that I want to use. Now what I can do, because it's just an image over the top, I can start grabbing some of my sketch tools and sketching it directly over the actual image. So I'm going to start with spline, make basic outline, the shape. I'm going to stylize its teeth a little bit. Splines, it's a lot harder to work with. Spline. Bend. Bit, because that's going to be a bit of a nuisance. Just there, trim entities, save, sketch. Now if I want to, I can delete the picture. Sketch behind. There's the beginnings of my clamp. I'll overlay the two. Incidentally, sometimes good when looking for images or selecting images ready for the internet. If I were to look up crab claw, click onto images, and just to use them, make them a little bit more user friendly for Solidworks, I look under Tools, Type, Line Drawing. So there we tend to get a lot more user-friendly type drawings that are ready to use for Solidworks. So when I go to save it, make sure when you save the image that it's either a JPEG or a bitmap. So in this case this one would work. Save it into my clamp folio, ready my clamp designs, give it a name, crab claw, save. next to it. Save. So now I've got my crab claw image.